Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your gender in Shopee account. To change your gender in Shopee, first of all, go ahead and open up a web browser and type in shopee.com. After you do that, press enter on your keyboard, which will then take you to the official Shopee website. Select your country or your region and then make sure to log into your account by entering your credentials. After you're in the home page, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to your profile picture and click on My Account in the pop-up. Inside the My Accounts tab, go ahead and open up this profile section and then choose your gender that you'd like to change to from the gender menu. After making a selection, click on Save to save the change. And right after you do that, you will be able to update your gender. So that is how easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Shopee tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.